Hello, welcome to my channel, AI Medical School. So, we are going to start pathology, and this is introduction video of pathology, so let's start. What is pathology? The scientific study of disease is called pathology. It is the study of how the organ and tissues of a healthy body change to those of sick person. Classification of pathology. Pathology is classified in several ways. It may be divided in general and special pathology, or clinical and anatomical pathology. So, what is general pathology? It is the study of the basic reactions of cells and tissues of abnormal stimuli that underlie all diseases. It describes basic principles and mechanisms of disease production, for example, inflammation. Firstly, we need to understand what is disease. Disease is the deviation from, or interruption of the normal structure of function of any part, organ, or system of the body manifested by a characteristic set of signs and symptoms. Classification of disease. First, inflammatory disease. Example for inflammatory disease is tuberculosis, appendicitis. Second, degenerative disease. Example for degenerative disease is osteoarthritis, etc. Third, neoplastic disease. Example for neoplastic disease is lung cancer, breast cancer. Fourth, traumatic disease. Core of pathology, etiology, cause of disease, pathogenesis, mechanism of its development, morphologic changes, structural alterations induced in the cells and organs of the body, clinical significance, functional consequences of the morphologic changes. That's it for now. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to press subscribe button.